Hello friends, today we are going to build PC under 25,000 rupees, only CPU. First we need to start with the processor. Here we are choosing Intel Pentium Gold G6405 desktop processor 2-core up to 4.1 GHz. Then moving to our next segment, its motherboard. Here we are choosing MSI H510M Pro E motherboard, Intel socket 1211 and 10th generation Core series CPU, max 64GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory. Moving on to our next, we are choosing single-stick Crucial CB8GU2666 desktop RAM 8GB DDR4 2666 MHz. Moving on to our next, we are choosing one SSD for Windows booting. Here it is Anti-Sport 690 Neo 256GB 3D TLC NAND internal SSD. Moving on to our next, we are choosing secondary SSD Anti-Sport 690 Neo 512GB 3D TLC NAND internal SSD. Now it's time for graphics card. First let us inform you that this processor has an iGPU of Intel UHD Graphics 610, but if you want to have some decent gaming and editing, then this graphics card is right choice for you. MSI GeForce Pascal Series GT 1030 Aero ITX OC 2GB DDR4 64-bit gaming graphics card. Finally it's time for CPU cabinet. Now for cabinet we choose Zebronics ZEB OXO gaming cabinet with micro ATX support, USB 3.0, dual 120mm front multicolor LED fans, tempered glass, 255mm VGA size, maximum 4x SSD 2x HDD capacity, black. At last for SMPS we choose Zebronics ZEB450W, DSATA 20+ 4-pin, Economy Series Desktop Power Supply SMPS with power cable.